Deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man. We in the middle of nowhere. But as y'all boys can see, you know what I'm saying, we got that beautiful thing. Look at how good this look. I lowered the exposure for y'all so it could look a little bit more clean. Because the last video I had with low exposure, that bit was looking right. I ain't gonna lie. But oh my goodness, bro. Boy, and we not done. We not done. We still gotta get the spoiler, all of that other stuff. Man, I did a whole video on like the things that I gotta go get, you know what I'm saying, for the car or whatever. But it's I gotta get this mess clean. But don't worry about that. Look. Here, this is just one of the things though. I ain't gonna tell y'all no more. Y'all gotta go watch the video or whatever. But here we go. Cat blower, bro. Oh, and this might be the first time y'all seeing it on YouTube, but I got a catch can. I was actually supposed to post a YouTube video, but god dang, that mess got hot. I was supposed to drop a YouTube video on it, but man, just stuff won't go in as planned, bro. Like every time I try to do it, it would rain or just like, I don't know, just like just I don't know. It was like a sign or something that was like, man, look, don't drop it. So I ended up doing it, but I didn't record it, unfortunately. I wish I could have though. But bro, every time I tried, it just wasn't working in my favor, bro. So yeah, but I do want a Hellcat blower, bro. Right now, I want a Hellcat blower. But here's the thing: before I even go cat blower, I low-key want to cam the car. So cam it, get like the oil pump and all of that. You know the milling. I think it's called milling. I think it's milling oil pump or whatever. And then put a cat blower on top of it. And then the build. I mean, besides like the wrap and all of the other stuff that I need though, the build would damn near be done. Like for this car, my goals isn't to make this car fast. That's why I want to get a Challenger. I'm gonna make my Challenger fast. Oh my goodness, hold up, wait. Y'all see? That bitch shut. Hold on, what's this? Damn. It's gonna sound like a Brabus truck or something, bro, when they don't close. Bro, chat. Oh my goodness, this y'all first video, bro. First thing first, but make sure you like the video, bro. Bro, subscribe. What are you doing, bro? Yo, we on it. Well, we on the grind of 20K right now, bro. Sub up. What the hell are you doing, bro? Bro, I ain't in the mood to punch my camera no more, cause my camera lens is already cracked. So I'm not gonna punch the camera no more. But bro, sub up before I get mad, bro. Yeah, but I got some new mods. I don't know. Should I leak them in this video? I might not leak them. I don't know. We can see. But you got my boy Leak right here in the scat mode. Okay. And then y'all seen, I love that colorway on that bitch. That shit look crazy. It's like a yellow and like a blue. That shit is crazy, bro. Hey, he was in the lab, bro, when he made that motherfucking color, bro. I'm telling you. This shit is crazy. But yeah, bro. I got some stuff though. I most definitely got some stuff for y'all though, bro. It's about time, bro. I've been supposed to been getting this shit for the longest, bro. Finally got that shit.
Let me see what the fuck you doing.
What I missed, bro?
Why won't this nigga let me get keys?
Oh, he ain't let you?
Yeah.
What?
Yes. One circle.
Oh. I love this fucking color, bro. There you go. That shit look tough now. You gotta drop that. What is it, bro? It's not saturated. Y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. Where the shit looks so crispy. That's what this is, bro.
They ain't getting a cut, goddamn. That nigga got that motherfucking tripod on.
Hey, come on, bro.
That bit crispy as hell, goddamn.
Appreciate it. Hey, that boy Ralph finna slide that bit. Let's see, bro. I ain't never seen him slide on scat, so I'm pretty interested on how he gonna do. I'm pretty sure it's probably the same shit, really. But hey, he done that bit getting crazy, bro.
I got headers on my shit. You gotta get two.
Hold on.
My shit was already two.
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Hey, he getting crazy with that bitch, bro. Oh shit, bro. Hey. Yeah. Bro, you might as well. Nah. You got a G8, bro. You can't let that G8 up, bro. I ain't even gonna fake it, bro. That bitch too. Hey, he getting crazy as hell, bro. Okay. That bitch, hey. I fuck with it, bro. Yo, this nigga's crazy, bro. Hey, bro.
It feel like this auto response weird. Like when I'm running.
Damn, bro, them shits turn on instantly, bro. Oh shit. Soggy.
Get that bitch on.
Oh my goodness.
Do you like, it's just throttle like,
Intake? God
I gotta press it to the blue, come back up, and that bitch.
Yeah, that is crazy. Dinkkk go slide your shit, bro.
My diff ass, bro.
Oh my
Come,
god.
I don't got.
Nah, that bitch was it. You want to
See
slide?
how crazy I get in my.
You want it sport? What you slamming it? Eco?
No, auto probably. Yeah. What? I mean, nigga set me up for failure.
That's what I be sliding that bitch in. Auto? Auto?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I'll be throwing my shit in sport.
Damn.
Oh shit.
What? So you dirt balling that bitch in auto? You really don't need to put that bitch in sport. That's why I be trying to slam on. That bitch red line quick as hell too. Yeah. This one was nice on sport.
Alright. That bitch sound crazy.
I look like this shit doing flame.
Huh?
It look like this shit doing flame. I don't know. Maybe it was a rock.
Bro, this nigga is crazy, bro. Yo, this nigga's crazy, bro.
My nigga, stop. Stop fucking listening. Your fucking tire is about to pop.
Oh shit, bro.
God damn. No.
Yo, bro. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Damn, I love this fucking car, bro.
We definitely hold that bitch. Hold it. Fuck. I'm sorry, bro. Only got like. Bro, I'm gonna just start posting these bitches around the city.
Just like start putting them bitches on like poles and shit. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, nah, these niggas are insane, bro. Oh shit. Damn! Oh, these niggas is yeah.
That bitch sound crazy.
Hey. Alright, man, appreciate y'all boys for watching. Yeah, bro, appreciate y'all boys for watching, man. I'm finna head to the crib, man. At them, just had to pop out real quick, see what them boys were talking about. But hit y'all boys in the next one.